Today I would like to introduce to you our ozone generator, its installation and explanation. First, we open the cabinet door. After opening the cabinet door, we can see this is our ozone generator room. Please note the black ozone generator unit here. There will be strong electricity passing through, so no touching. It happens in pairs of two. The intake air from the left side converges to the right side. The reaction produces ozone above the pipe from the right side. It feeds into our machines, so our ozone is made. There's a switch, represents the opening and closing of our top fan. Next, we go to the back of the machine. Let me show you the internal structure of our machine. We have 16 controllers here. One controller corresponds to one ozone generation unit. This is also electrified, so never touch it with your hands at work. Here is our control circuit. Here is the control solenoid valve for our input signal. Here is our input signal. And here's our power display. There are 4 buttons at the bottom of the screen to adjust the ozone generation time. The first button on the far left allows you to select the nth ozone generation unit. The second button is to increase the time. The third button is to decrease the time. This is our power source. So here we have the blow system connected to the air. After ozone generation, compressed air is used to drive the ozone forward. Here is our dedicated ozone generator material converter. The equipment is equipped with air inlet and outlet. Below is our fluorine tank. The ozone generator's dedicated substance converter is connected to a sensing device. The pressure displayed on the right side is that of the ozone generator's dedicated substance converter. The red switch below is the radiator switch button. Facing the machine, the discharge positions of No 1-8 are counted from left to right. A mixture of ozone and compressed air is expelled from here. This side of the machine, it's connected to our power cord. Don't move the wiring harness below. I will explain to you next. Ozone generator installation steps and working status. First, we connect compressed air to the air inlet located above the ozone generator's dedicated substance converter. Connect the power supply on the other side of the machine. Connect our discharge pipe at this air outlet. Note that when connecting the discharge pipe, you need to use a throat cuff to connect it. Now here is a diagram showing how our washing machine connects to the ozone generator. 1-8 represent the signal interfaces for detergent drawers of 1-8 washing machines. 9 represents the common terminal for the washing machine signal and the negative pole of 24 volts. 10 represents the common terminal for the washing machine signal and 24 volts positive pole. Next, I'll use blue ink, demonstrate the effects of ozone. Now I've used blue ink. Stain the water in the measuring cup. Next, we will put the ozone in the ozone pipeline. Insert into measuring cup. Next, let's plug in the signal. Note that the signal does not require long contact. We can see ozone reacts with water in a measuring cup, slowly turning from blue to colorless. Now the ozone has been released, and we can see that there's no trace of the blue in the water. Here's what we're simulating: the actual situation in which ozone reacts.
Splanny.